Welcome to the class. See, in our previous video class, we have discussed about radian measure, degree measure, how to convert degree measure to radian measure and radian measure to degree measure. So, also we have worked out some of the examples regarding conversion. So, in this session, let us continue to solve some more simple examples. Okay. Say I have written one example on the board. So, before going to this example, see, we know this formula arc length. We have proved this arc length is equal to r into theta radian. Observe this. S is arc length, that is given by radius into that angle which is measured in radians. Okay, radius into theta radians. So S is equal to r theta. So length of the arc. So ಈ ಸೆಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ನೋಡಿ, ಮೊದಲನೇ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ರೀಡ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. See, find the degree measure. Okay, see, find the degree measure of the angle subtended at the center of a circle of radius 100 centimeter by an arc of length 22 centimeter. Observe this. So what is given in the problem, that we have to observe here. So use pi is equal to 22 by 7 in simplification. Okay, see, we have to find the degree measure. Okay, let me draw the rough diagram here. Okay, so this is the radius. See, radius 100 centimeter. So you think this radius has 100 centimeter. See, find the degree measure of the angle subtended at the center of a circle of radius 100 centimeter by an arc of length 22 centimeter. So that means I have, see, this AB is the arc length. So we denote it by S, we know that. So that arc length, see, subtended at the center of circle of radius 100 centimeter by an arc of length 22 centimeter. So that S is 22 centimeter. Okay, so we have to find the degree measure of the angle. So we have to find this angle. So this is the angle formed by the arc AB. Okay, so observe this. So first we have to write what is given in the problem. Then afterwards we can use the formula. So that is, ನೋಡಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ is given as 100 centimeter. Then okay, ಎಸ್ ನೋಡಿ, ನಾವು ಎಸ್ ಅಂತ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆರ್ಕ್ ಲೆಂತ್. ಸೊ ಅದು ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, 22 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, 22 centimeter. Then what is left here? See, this angle. So angle notation means what? So theta. Theta is measured in radians. So we have to find out this theta. Observe this. So find the degree measure. So we have to write the answer in degree measure. Okay, that is, we have to find the angle. So it involves r, s and theta. Okay, see, observe this formula. We have to use this formula. So we know arc length. So we have derived this r into theta. Of course, theta is measured in radians. So s is equal to r theta. So we have to use this formula. So left hand side, see, 22. Arc length is 22. So radius is what, 100 into, so I don't know the angle here. We have to find the angle here. So that is, therefore you solve for theta. So theta is equal to 22 divided by 100. Okay, 22 divided by 100. Now I can simplify this. Okay, 2 11s are 250. See, 11 by, I got 11 by 50. So theta is measured in, see, radians. So that is 11 by 50. Okay, I read radians. Then I have to convert this into degree. See, find the degree measure. So how can we convert this? This also we know this. So we have to, see, we have to convert this radian measure into degree measure. So to convert from radian to degree measure, as we discussed in our previous class, so multiply the angle by 180 by, okay, 180 by pi. So multiply the angle by 180 by pi. Then it becomes okay, degree. To convert this radian measure to degree measure. Okay, this is divided by pi. Okay, 180 divided by pi. Then okay, let me simplify this. So okay, we can cancel this 0. Then what is left here? See, 11 into 18 in the numerator divided by, see, 5 into this pi is what, 22 divided by 7. I will shift that 7 to numerator. So that is 11 into 18 into 7 divided by 5 into 22. So then I can cancel it's 11 ones are 11 twos are. Then so you multiply this 18 into 7. Okay, multiply 18 into 7. That is 126 divided by 2 5s are, that is 10. Okay, then okay, I will write so that theta is equal to see 126 divided by 10 degree, or I can cancel it still. That is okay 63 2 5s are, so that will be what 63 by 5 degree. Okay, 63 divided by 5 degree. So we can stop at this step. So I got the angle as 63 by 5. Otherwise, we can still reduce it to, so we know this, from degree to, we can convert it into minute and seconds. Okay, that also we can do it. So let's see, divide 63 by 5. So we know this. So that is 5 times are 60. Okay, so I got 12 degree. Okay, see this 12 degree, and that I can write that as 3 by 5. Okay, so 12 degree, so 3 by 5. So this 12 3, I will write this as 12 3 by 5. Then we can, so we can still reduce it to minute. Okay, minute and seconds. So how do you convert this into minutes? See, I have to multiply by, okay, I will reduce it to this minute. Okay, then 12 degree, see this 3 by 5 into, so 1 minute. Okay, see 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes, so I can write this as 60 okay minutes. Then that will be what, say 12 degree, so that is okay, so that is 12 3, so if I told the 60, that is 12 3 is a 36 minutes. Say 12 degree, that is 36 minutes. So this I have reduced this. Okay, see 12 3 by 5 degree, so we know this 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes, so multiply this 3 by 5 into 60. So I will, after cancellation and simplification, I got 12 degree 36 minutes. So degree measure of the angle, say degree measure of the angle, that is theta, subtended at the center of a circle of radius 100 centimeter is given by 12 degree 36 minutes. So arc length, we have to use this formula, arc length is equal to r into theta radians. Okay, so note down the solution of this example. So this is the first example of this session. Then let us consider another example. Okay, write down the solution of this. So let me go for next example. Okay, second example. Find the radius of a, find the radius of a circle in which the central angle of 60 degree intercepts. So observe this, intercepts an arc of length 37.4 centimeters. So for this also, so they are given that use pi is equal to 22/7. So observe carefully. So this is the second example. So let us read the problem. So find the radius of a circle. So we have to find the radius, that means arc, in which the central angle, see central angle is given 60 degree. So intercepts an arc, see arc length, this is 37.4 centimeter. So we have to use this value. So what is given? So let me draw the rough diagram here. So circle. So see a radius. Find the radius. See, I don't know the radius. I have to find this radius. Then let us mark it. See, this is arc length. That is S. This is the angle. So angle is given, that is 60 degree. Okay. This arc length is what? 37.4 centimeter. So what are the given things? Nodi, given things ಏನಂದ್ರೆ so that is yes, arc length is given, that is 37.4 centimeter. Then see 60 degree, the theta that is given, see the theta is given in degree. Okay, 60 degree. See, this theta is given in 60 degree. So theta is measured in radians. So convert this 60 degree to radian. ನೋಡಿ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಇವಾಗ 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಒಂದೇ, ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ರೇಡಿಯನ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀಬಹುದು π/3. ಓಕೆ, π/3 radian. 60 degree or π/3 radian, both are same. Okay, so multiply this, we know this degree to radian. So how can we convert that from degree to radian? Pi means 180, π/3 means that will be 60 degree. Then we have to find the radius. Nodi, radius, we don't know the radius. Okay, so multiply the angle by π/180. Nodi, 60 degree into π/180. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ 61 63 ನೋಡಿ, π/3 ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿರೋದು. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ π/3 ಅಂತ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೆ. Now what is the formula? You know, arc length is equal to r theta. Left hand side S, right hand side R into theta. So S means, so on the left hand side that will be to 37.4. See radius I don't know. Then theta is what? π/3. So we have to substitute theta in radians. Then 3 into 37.4. I can cross multiply this. That is 37.4 into 3 is equal to this pi r. Okay. See, I want this radius. So I can solve for radius. 37.4 into 3. So I want this divided by, see this pi. Pi comes to the denominator. Then use pi is equal to 22/7. No, pi place ಅಲ್ಲಿ 22/7 substitute ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. 37.4 into 3 divided by, ನೋಡಿ 22 divided by 7. So okay, let me read here only. ನೋಡಿ 37.4 into 3, say into, I will shift this 7 to the numerator, divided by 22. This is equal to, I solve for r. So ಇದಿಷ್ಟನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ write the answer of the radius. Okay, so ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ 22 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್. ಸೊ ಟೇಕ್ 10 seconds to do that. So multiply this, or we can cancel this. So whatever the, you see 20, 7 3s are 21. So 21 into this 37.4, then we can divide it by 22. Otherwise we can cancel it also. So we can cancel it. Okay. I will write, see, do the rough work here. 37.4 into, that is 21. So multiply that, 473. That is 15, 8, 7. Then I can 785.4. 785.4 divided by 22. Now you divide this by, okay, divide this by 22. So take these 3 digits. 3 is that will be 66. So you write 5 here. Okay, 22 3s are 66. Then I can write for 5 here. Okay, if I take 6, that will be more than 125. So 5 means 110. So that will be what? 35. See this, you write this point here. Then you write this 4 here. 754. Now I will get there. Okay, 7s are 22 into 7. That will be what? 154. So I got 35.7 centimeter. This is the radius. See, radius of the circle is 35.7 centimeter. So note down the solution of this example. So we have found out the radius. See, radius. We have solved for r. See this r is equal to this. So use pi is equal to what? 22/7. So this is all the rough work. Okay, so let us go for next example. Okay, let us go for third example. In a circle of diameter 40 centimeter, the length of a chord is 20 centimeter. Find the length of minor arc of the chord. Okay, observe this. So let me read the problem again. In a circle of diameter 40 centimeter, see, diameter is given. In a circle of diameter 40 centimeter, the length of a chord, observe this. So diameter is given. Okay, diameter 40 centimeter. The length of the chord, see, chord of a circle, that is 20 centimeter. So what we have to find the length of minor arc of the chord. So let us draw a circle here. See, this is center of the circle. See, diameter is given. Diameter means, we know this, diameter means, so it is a line segment which passes through center of the circle. Okay, so let me take this as AB. See, AB is a diameter. So what is given? Observe carefully. Nodi, diameter D anta barkoltini. So diameter is what? 40. See, diameter is 40 means, nodi, radius estirutte. So diameter 40 ಆದರೆ radius will be half of that. Radius ತ್ರಿಜ್ಯ, diameter ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವ್ಯಾಸ. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, diameter 40 ಆದರೆ radius ಅದರ ಅರ್ಧದಷ್ಟು ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So AB is 40 means OB is radius, OA is also of course radius. So this will be what? Radius is 20, half of that, ಅದರ ಅರ್ಧ ನೋಡಿ 20 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್. ಸೊ ಇದು ನನಗೆ 20 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು ನೋಡಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, the length of the chord is 20 centimeter. So where is this chord? Observe this. I will take another point, say C. Then I will join this. Length of the chord. Observe, BC is arc, not the chord. So if I join these 2 points, I will get a chord. So chord, see this BC. BC is chord. So that length of the chord. Chord is a line segment joining 2 points on the circumference of circle. So length of the chord A, okay, this is not AB. So length of the chord, see this BC. So this is also, that is given as 20. See, this is 20. Observe this. This is given as 20 centimeter. So length of the chord BC is 20 centimeter. Okay. See, this is center of the circle. So note down the solution carefully and observe the diagram. See, observe this. OB is what? Radius. We know. Nodi, circle alli radius or radii. Okay. See, radius is singular, radii means plural. So radii are equal. ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದು ವೃತ್ತದಲ್ಲಿ ತ್ರಿಜ್ಯಗಳು ಸಮನಾಗಿರುತ್ತವೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ OB 20 centimeter. See, radius is 20 centimeter. That means this will also be 20. Okay, radius ತ್ರಿಜ್ಯಗಳು ಸಮ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು 20 centimeter ಆದರೆ ಇದು ಕೂಡ 20 centimeter. ನೋಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ OBC ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನೋಡಿ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ OBC ಅಲ್ಲಿ OB ನು 20 centimeter, BC 20 centimeter, OC 20 centimeter. So all the sides are equal. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ OBC ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ OBC is an equilateral triangle. ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Equilateral ನೋಡಿ ಸಮಬಾಹು ತ್ರಿಭುಜ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ because all the sides are equal. Here all the sides are equal, therefore it is equilateral triangle. See, equilateral triangle means, see this angle COB or BOC, central angle. Therefore angle BOC ನೋಡಿ ಕೋನ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ? So all the sides are equal. Property of equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal. That means angle will also be equal. 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree. Sum will be 180 of course. So angle BOC will be what? 60 degree. Okay. Equilateral triangle means so that angles will be equal, that is 60. So degree measure is there. So we have to convert this into radian measure, that is 60 degree. Okay, I'll write it here. 60 degree means we know that is pi by 3 radian. Okay, so these are the things we can observe in the problem here. So what we have to find out? See, find the length of minor arc of the chord. See this BC is a chord. See, BC is a chord. Then this BC, see this is minor arc. See this, I will take this as yes. We have to find out this length of the minor arc. Length of the minor arc of the chord. See, this chord BC is a chord. This BC is arc. So we have to find out the length of the minor arc of the chord. That is what we have to find out. Length of the, see I have written this, length of the minor arc, that is we have to find out that. Okay, let me call this as S. So what is the formula? S is equal to, see, r theta. So S on the left hand side, I don't know, yes, I will write it as it is. The radius. So radius is what? 20. See, 20 into this theta. So theta is, see this theta. This is theta. Okay, let me write this as here itself, theta. So theta means what? Pi by, see, pi by 3. Okay, then, so here, see, this pi is there. So pi means we can, for calculation purpose, we can use pi is equal to 22 by 7. So that is 20 divided by 3 into this is pi. So pi means what? 22 by 7. See, here it is not given in the problem. So we can use pi is equal to 22 by 7. Then we can simplify this. Okay, 440 divided by, see, 440 divided by 21. So divide 440 by 21. So we'll get that. So we can divide it here. See, 20.95 centimeter. So this is the arc length of the minor arc. Observe carefully. Arc length of the, this is the arc length of the, see, find the length of minor arc. That is length of the minor arc of the chord. That is 20.95 centimeters. So you divide 440 by 21, we get 20.95. Okay. So this is our third problem. So let us go for next problem. So let us go for fourth one. So a wheel makes 360 revolutions in 1 minute. Through how many radians, through how many radians does it turn in 1 second? Does it turn in 1 second? See, this is very, very important and simple problem. Okay, for 2 marks. ನೋಡಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓದೋಣ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಎ ವೀಲ್ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ 360 revolutions in 1 minute. Okay. A wheel makes 360 revolutions in 1 minute. Through how many radians does it turn in 1 second? Okay, see what is given first. Let us write this, the number of revolutions. So what is this? Observe this, number of revolutions in 1 minute. Say I will write this 1 minute, that is 360. Okay, so in 1 minute, ನೋಡಿ observe ಮಾಡಿ, 1 minute number of revolutions is 360. So what we have to find out? Through how many radians? See, we have to find out the radians. How many radians does that wheel turn in 1 second? See, minute is given. Okay, so how many radians does it turn in 1 second? So here we have to remember the units. So we discussed here. So 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. So 1 minute is equal to what? 60 seconds. Okay, so degree is divided into equal parts, that is called minute. Minute is divided into once again equal parts, that is called seconds. So we can write that. So 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay. See here, one number of revolutions in 1 minute is 360. Observe this. Then what will be the number of revolutions in 1 second? Observe this. If number of revolutions in 1 minute is 360, ನೋಡಿ 1 ನಿಮಿಷಕ್ಕೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ 360 ಆದರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ 1 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, ನೋಡಿ 1 ಸೆಕೆಂಡಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 60 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ 1 ಮಿನಿಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ 1 ಮಿನಿಟಿಗೆ 360 ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಆದರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ 1 ಸೆಕೆಂಡಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 360ಯನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ 60ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ 1 ಸೆಕೆಂಡಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ನನಗೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ 0 ಗೆಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್, 6 1s 6 6. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು, ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ 1 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್, 6. ಓಕೆ, 6 ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ 1 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಸ್ 6. ಸಿ ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಸೊ ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಕವರ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಎಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 180, ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 180, ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್. ಸಿ ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕವರ್ಡ್ 360 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಸೊ that is so it is called one. See, one revolution means 360, 2 revolutions means 2 into 360, 4 revolutions means 4 into 360. So that is, but in one revolution the angle covered or the angle traced, how much? That is 360 degree. Observe this. So in one revolution angle traced is 360 degree, or we can write this as 2 radian. Okay, 2 pi. 2 pi means what? 360. 2 pi radian or 360, both are same. So one revolution the angle is 360 degree. There how many revolutions are there? 6 revolutions. Therefore in 6 revolutions angle traced will be see for one revolution it is 2 pi, angle is 2 pi. ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದು ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಗೆ 2 pi ಆದರೆ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಇರೋದು ಎಷ್ಟು ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್? 6. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 6 ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 6 into 2 pi. ಓಕೆ, 6 into 2 pi, that will be what? ನೋಡಿ 12 pi. 6 in 6 revolutions angle covered is what? That is 12 pi. Okay, 12 pi, that means 12 pi radians. It is understood that it is radian, 12 pi radians. So what we have to find out, through how many radians does it turn in 1 second? So observe the question. So through how many radians does it turn in 1 second means, so in 1 second, see that angle is 12 pi radians. Okay, therefore angle traced in 1 second, okay, angle traced in 1 second is 12 pi radians. Observe carefully, problem is over. See, number of revolutions in 1 minute is, okay, write this. A wheel makes 360 revolutions. Okay, so number of revolutions in 1 minute, that is given as 360. So number of revolutions in 1 second will be what? 360 by 60, that will be 6. So for 1 revolution, angle covered is 2 pi or 360 degree. So for 6 revolutions, 6 into 2 pi, that will be what? 12 pi. So in 1 second, angle traced is 12 pi. So let us go for 5th problem. So if the arcs of same length in two circles subtend angles, subtend angles 65 degree and 110 degree at the center. At the center, find the ratio of the radii. Find the ratio of their radii. But observe ಮಾಡಿ, radii. Radius is plural. Radius is singular, ತ್ರಿಜ್ಯ ಅಂತೀವಿ. Radii is plural, ತ್ರಿಜ್ಯಗಳು. ನೋಡಿ observe ಮಾಡಿ, ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಓದೋಣ. So let me read the problem. If the arcs of same length in two circles, that means I have two